Good morning students, this is 10th class. So students, today I am going to start exercise 10D. So already I have told you two formulas. First is Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. We will use this formula to find the number of terms, and one formula is used to find last term also. There you will use L formula, and another one is to find the sum, that is n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Only these two formulas are important in this chapter. So in this exercise only further applications are given to solve the sum. So here is the question: the sum of three consecutive, how to suppose the three consecutive means continuously, lagatar. So we will suppose that terms a minus d comma a and a plus d. Always you have to suppose these three terms. If four terms are they were saying for four terms, then you have to let the a plus 2d. If 5 terms are they said, then next term will be a plus 3d. So here they are saying 3 terms. So we will suppose a minus d, a plus d. So here they are saying the sum of 3 consecutive terms means इनको add करके we will get 21, means a minus d plus a plus d is equal to 21, and the sum of their squares is 165. फिर इनको स्क्वायर करके उनको ऐड कर लो, a माइनस डी स्क्वायर प्लस ए स्क्वायर प्लस ए प्लस डी होल स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू 165. So here we will get two equations, one from here, one from this side. So we will get the value of a and d. Then after getting the value of a and d, we will put it here. Then we will get the terms. How we will get? Let us solve it. So here d is cancelled. 3 a's are there. So 3a is equal to 21. Then a is equal to 21 upon 3 is equal to 7. Either you can here apply the a plus b whole square formula directly, or you can put the value of 7, then you can apply the formula. But here I am going to apply the formula directly. Here a minus b, so a square plus d square minus 2ad plus a square, here a square plus d square plus 2ad is equal to 165. These two terms can be cancelled because they are opposite in sign. So a square are 1, 2, 3. 3a square plus 2 d's are there. So 2d square is equal to 165. Put here the value of a, that is 7 square plus 2d square is equal to 165. So 7 sevens are 49. 49 multiplied by 3 is 27. 147 plus 2d square is equal to 165. 2d square is equal to 165. This term will be shifted to the right hand side. So 165 minus 147. So 8, 1. 2d square is equal to 18. D square is equal to 18 divided by 2, that is 9. So d will be equal to square root of 9, that is 3. So a value we got 7 and d value is 3. Then we will put it here. So 7 minus 3, then next term is 7, then A is 7 and D is 3. So 4, 7 and 10. These are the consecutive required 3 numbers. Here 2 values can be possible, one will be positive and one will be negative. If D is positive, then we will get this answer. If D is negative, then here we will put minus 3, so it will become positive. So 7 plus 3 is 10, then next term is 7, next is 7, then minus 3 will be 4. So these two conditions can be come. So students, other sums you will practice by yourself by applying only this formula. That's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.